and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I cook my delicious beans stew. Okay, you can also call it bean porridge. Okay, this is how I cook mine. Okay, I'm going to be taking you step by step. So we have our black eye peas. Add water. Okay, then I will start cooking. After bringing it to a boil, I will wash the beans thoroughly before cooking it properly. All right, let's get started. So at this point, this is how I cook my beans. At this point, I'm going to wash it and rinse it. Then I will start the proper cooking. I've brought it to a boil and it's time to wash it. So I'm going to rinse it. Beans back. Add the water. Start cooking. Cover the pot and let it cook. So for our ingredients, we have our onions. We have green pepper for flavor and color. Okay. And we have our hot pepper, habanero pepper, and the red bell pepper. I'm going to blend it with habanero pepper. I have 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, I'm going to blend it all together, and it's going to be delicious. So we are going to blend the peppers. Water. Look at the beans. Okay, your beans is properly cooked when it changes color. Okay, it's going to change color and become brown or pinkish. All right, you don't chew your beans. Okay, it has to be soft. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add our blended pepper, onions, crayfish. All right, I'm going to add more water. So here I have some spices. I have curry powder, little thyme, and garlic powder. I have some corned beef. I'm also adding our green pepper. We want it soft. Okay. So I've added all the ingredients except the vegetable oil. I don't want to add it now because I don't want it to start thickening and getting burnt. Okay, so I'm going to allow these ingredients to cook properly. Then I will add our vegetable oil, and then I will also mix it up for the first time. Time to add our vegetable oil. All right, we're going to stir it yet. Okay, so it doesn't start getting burnt. Cover it up. All right, time to mix it up and taste it for seasoning. Got our beans. It's properly cooked. If you want to cook your beans so that it doesn't split but it's well cooked, okay, what you need to do is to be adding water gradually. Don't fill it with water, because if you fill it with water, as it boils, it will start breaking and start getting burnt before it is even cooked. So be adding gradually, the one that will cover it up. Then as it cooks, you keep adding. So look at our bean stew. At this point, it is ready and it's delicious. If you don't like beans and you follow these steps on how I did mine, I cooked mine, then you will fall in love with eating beans. So the last ingredient, I love onions, so I like eating onions. Okay, I add it when the food is ready. Okay, and it will cook, the steam will cook it. Okay, delicious. So it's time to plate our food. Today we prepared bean stew and it's very delicious. I promise you it is. So look at it. It's inviting. It is delicious. We're going to be eating it with unripe plantain. You can use white rice. Okay, spread it on your white rice and then you eat it. We've come to the end of this video. Please share this video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye. May God bless you.